So a lot of you guys are having trouble with getting your vocals to sound good and what plugins to use. So your boy Rome's going to help you out with a very quick tutorial. Let's go. Now when you're recording, you want to make sure you're a fist away from the microphone. Boom. Now if you're way too close, like that, you're going to start clipping. And once it's clipped, it's almost impossible to fix it on this end, okay? Sometimes all you need is a car ride, so you can meditate about everything on your mind. And all the people telling you to pick a side, but they don't know the battle that is in your mind. I remember back in the day when everything was cool. All we had to do was go to school. It's almost like my life was easy, but we didn't know that it was about to get greasy. 2008, the walls caved in. That's when young boys became grown men. Selling cocaine was guaranteed ends, and never turn your back on your real friends. Alright, now number one, as I let it play, look at the wave, alright? The wave is pretty consistent, alright? The whole way through. The whole way through. Number one, I recorded it again at a good distance, okay? A fist away from the microphone. Part of recording and editing is this right here. A lot of you guys still leave this, that, and this, okay? Now notice in this area right here, that is sound, okay? You want to make sure you clip it. Again, see that right there? That's sound. Not only that, but you want to make sure you fade it. Okay, every vocal stem has got to have a fade. Because what happens is in between that fade and the next wave could be a clip, it could be a sound. And then when you put the compressor and a limiter in there, it's going to sound dirty and gritty and you're not going to like that, okay? So we're going to go right into exactly what I did. Again, when you're doing the lead vocal, you want to make sure it's center. So you'll be surprised that a lot of people left or right their main vocal. Never. The only vocal that should be left or right is the dub, background vocals, and all that. The lead vocal has to always be centered. I'm on a car ride, so you can meditate about everything on your mind. And all the people telling you to pick a side. Now another thing, a lot of you guys do not use a de-esser. Now with my vocal, I have to have one on high, so we're going to play with it. Let's go. Know what's going on, but I know it's popping. I bet it's the devil, I can hear him knocking. Talking about the same stuff from way back. But screw all that, I have to bounce back. Now when I'm doing a rap vocal, I do not want a whole lot of reverb. On a rap vocal, I just want a little bit. I have 10.5, but let you guys hear how it sounds if you put too much. It's a car ride, so you can meditate about everything on your mind. And all the people telling you to pick a side, but they don't know the battle that is in your mind. The day when everything was cool, all we had. Now this right here is a free plugin. Only thing I do is I put it on this right here, Vocal Air. What that is going to do is it's going to add a little boost in the air. I put the fresh air at the end. That way any compression, the de-esser, anything that may have took away from the crisp, I put it right back there by using the vocal doubler. I put it on vocal air, and then from there I just found my sweet spot. But we didn't know that it was about to get greasy. 2008, the walls caved in. Now, if you do not want it to go together, you unlink it. That way you can move this knob and it won't move that knob, okay? That's when young boys became grown men. Selling cocaine was guaranteed ends and never turned. And if you want to hear what it's really doing, the only thing you gotta do is turn the power on and power off. Turn your back on your real friends. That's a commandment that I will live by. Guaranteed until the day I die. MOB. Money over busters, are you feeling me?